Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Volvo Cars in Grapevine, Texas, and today let's go for a drive in the 2025 Volvo EX90 Twin Motor Electric Plus. So I got a video on the Ultra right when it first came out, but I've been wanting to get my hands on a Plus just to see how the lower trim level drives, and we'll get it on the road in a second. But first of all, this interior is very beautiful. I really like the EX90. I think Volvo did a great job in terms of styling. The interior is beautiful. Exterior looks really good too. I love this white colored wood. It looks great. I love the steering wheel. The interior is basically the same as the Polestar 3. They look really similar. Same screen, everything like that. But yeah, seats feel great. This one is equipped with the captain's chairs. You have a very nice panoramic roof, which is cool. You have heated seats, ventilated seats, and a heated steering wheel in this car. One thing right off the bat, in my opinion, which I'm not the biggest fan of, is the fact that everything has to be done through the center screen. That's something I'm not particularly a big fan of, because, you know, to move the steering wheel up and down, I have to use this button. To move the mirrors, I have to use the button. I'd rather just have it right here, because it's just a waste of time to me in order to be doing that, going back and forth between the screen just to do a quick adjustment. You have the Google Maps, which I really like. Built-in Google Maps is fantastic. I love when any car has that. You have YouTube in here as well. You have Apple CarPlay. But let's walk around this vehicle. This has the Bose sound system. The Ultra will give you the Bowers & Wilkins sound system. Vapor gray metallic, looks gorgeous. These are the wheels on the Plus. Look like typical EV wheels. I really like the front of the car, and I love the headlight design. It looks great. And you have the LiDAR detector on the top. And here are the captain's chairs. You also have rear seats, or rear heated seats, I mean. But this interior is absolutely gorgeous. It looks amazing. Cup holders, very nice. You even have cup holders in the armrest. That's cool. But this is a very beautiful car. The back looks amazing. I love the way the back of the car looks. Like the split LED taillight design is gorgeous. And here is the third row with the trunk with the third row up. This vehicle has a price of $82,640. The Plus will give you pilot assist, 360 camera, tailored IP, backlit wood deco, head-up display, and Bose audio. Pure electric, of course, 402 horsepower, 568 pound-feet of torque, one-pedal drive. And you get 308 miles of range on this vehicle. But let's get this EX90 out on the road. I think this is a great color combo. Vapor gray with the blonde interior looks phenomenal on all the Volvos. And it's a very popular color combo too. The lighter interior Volvos are very popular. And this is the key. It's like a little card. Let's see how it drives. It's extremely quiet in here. But yeah, the design of the car, Volvo really made it nice. Like the futuristic look. Has a nice boxy shape. The car moves around very seamlessly. And the materials feel wonderful. Nice and quiet. And I'm also very excited to test drive the electric Volvo sedan, which is going to be coming out sometime in the next year, I believe. It was announced pretty recently, or maybe in the next 2 years, I forgot what it was, but I'm very excited to drive that. Volvo is going to be making a lot of electric vehicles, and I think both the EX90 and the EX30 are great. I'm going to try getting some videos on the other trim levels of the EX30. I got a video on the first one that came in. Yeah, ride is extremely smooth. It's very quiet in here. It's very comfortable. Visibility is pretty good. But for some reason I was unable to get the mirrors to, unable to adjust the mirrors. Like I hit the button and it moved, and I was trying to get it to move, but I wasn't able to figure it out. So let me know in the comments what I was doing wrong. But I was able to move the steering column up and down with the center screen. I don't know, because you have to hit the button and then you have to press on the steering wheel to move the mirrors. But I don't know if I was hitting the wrong button or something. Yeah, it is typical Volvo driving here. Volvo in here, just really luxurious, really classy. I love this car. It definitely has like the characteristics of, like, it feels like a private jet kind of. You definitely feel very secluded from the road. You feel very nice and calm in here. And I really like the new Volvo logo. How the new Volvo logo, instead of being like, you know, the typical one with like little metal, the silver bar which has Volvo on it, it's like color. It's like the color of the steering wheel. If you have a white steering wheel, it's white. If you have a black steering wheel, it's black. So that's a cool little touch from Volvo right there. Even the turn signal is just so quiet, and I like the turn signal and gear stock, the gear lever stock. They feel great. Just the leather on the steering wheel makes a big difference, like the feeling of the leather, and this is really nice. Yeah, it's like some high quality leather, very soft and plush, similar to what you'd find in a Volvo S90 or a XC90 Ultra. And you can also change the menu configuration, what you see in the center screen, which is nice. But yeah, I mean, obviously, so while I mentioned the Polestar 3 and this have a similar interior, the Polestar 3 does not have 3 rows. So if you want an electric SUV from either Volvo or Polestar, if you want the 3 rows, you gotta get the EX90. And I like the way the EX90 looks a lot better than the Polestar 3 personally. I think the EX90 is gorgeous. It's a beautiful car. Yeah, Volvo did a fantastic job with this car. A lot of EVs don't look the best, but this car definitely does. Let's see the backup camera. Yeah, it is a little bit laggy, the backup camera. I wonder if that'll like get fixed with like software updates or something like that. Like the top camera Yeah, it lags a lot. The bottom one works. And it also has like the parking sensors too. But overall, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships and Grubb's Volvo cars in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own EX90.